Stop deleting apps and do this instead. This hidden iPhone feature frees massive storage without losing any data. So what you need to do is first open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with General. Under General, go with iPhone storage. Now here, just wait for a few seconds till it loads. And as you can see that the most storage has been taken by Photos application. So you can go and select your photos if you have already backed up your photos, or you can just simply scroll down and go with any other application that you're not using or a game that you're not using. Like for example, I'll just simply go with CapCut. Tap on CapCut and then go with Offload app. Tap on Offload and it will free up your storage. Now if you go back and try to search for CapCut, you'll find the application right here, but it needs installation. So if you tap on CapCut right here, then it will start the installation process. So you can install it whenever you want, but if you're not using it, you can just simply go and offload the application. Sometimes using Offload app can actually fix the issue of draining or freezing your battery. However, some apps like games might lose your progress if they are not connected to a iCloud account. So before offloading any game, make sure that it is linked to a game center or your account. You can't offload core system apps like settings, phone, messages, camera. This feature is available from iOS 11 up to the latest version available today. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.